Hi everybody, welcome to Jin's Wall Street News. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Wednesday that the Consumer Price Index increased 2.7% in November over the last 12 months as expected. U.S. government sold 10-year notes at 4.235%, 1.7 basis points lower than the WI level at the time of the auction. According to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 98.4% chance for 25 basis point cut in the FOMC meeting in December. 10-year Treasury yield rises to 4.28% ahead of the Producer Price Index scheduled to be released on Thursday. For the U.S. stocks, the Nasdaq Composite jumped 1.77% to 20,034.9, an all-time high. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Consumer Price Index rose 0.3% in November from a month ago, up 2.7% over the last 12 months, in line with expectations. The core CPI, excluding food and energy, increased 0.3% in November on a monthly basis, up 3.3% from the previous year as expected. The gasoline index increased 0.6% over the month, and the natural gas index moved up 1% on a monthly basis. In addition, the used cars and trucks index jumped 2% in November, and the new vehicles index also rose 0.6% over the month. The U.S. government sold $39 billion of 10-year notes at 4.235%, 1.7 basis points lower than the WI level at the time of the auction, 4.252%. We can find strong demand for 10-year notes. According to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 98.4% chance to reduce 25 basis points of the federal funds rate, up from 83.4% on December 9th, and a 1.6% chance to remain at the same rate in the FOMC meeting in December. 10-year Treasury yield began to rise on Monday as copper prices increased after Chinese leaders pledged more proactive fiscal measures and moderately looser monetary policy next year. Then it rose further as the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index jumped to the highest level since June 2021. 10-year Treasury yield moved up and down as the Consumer Price Index came in line with expectations in November, and it rises to 4.28% as oil prices increased after the European Union approved the 15th package of sanctions against Russia. Now investors are waiting for the Producer Price Index report, as well as the weekly jobless claims data scheduled to be released on Thursday. For the U.S. stocks, the tech-heavy Nasdaq jumped 1.77% to 20,034.9, its all-time high on Wednesday. S&P 500 rose 0.82%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.22% as shares of United Health Group tumbled 5.63% on Wednesday. Shares of Tesla jumped 5.93% on Wednesday after rising 2.87% on Tuesday. Alphabet stock also soared 5.53% on Wednesday after jumping 5.59% on Tuesday as the Google quantum team announced Willow, Google's latest quantum chip, on Monday. Shares of Nvidia gained 3.14%, and the US chip stocks were one of the best performers on Wednesday after becoming one of the worst performers on Tuesday. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.